If you've bought a vault door or are shopping for one, you know it's a serious investment. They aren't cheap and they aren't light. When installing this specialty item, you want to make sure you hire a professional who is experienced in transporting, moving, and handling products of significant size and weight. Unfortunately, most moving companies and even most contractors cannot handle vault door installations. This is especially true if installing your vault door requires moving it through a home. Since 1988, we've installed hundreds of vault doors for residential and commercial customers. We've even installed vault doors we haven't sold when other installation companies haven't been able to complete the job. There's a lot of do-it-yourselfers out there, but we always use analogies like, are you going to climb a ladder and re-roof your house? Probably not. When you look at the percentages of people getting hurt doing household improvements, you can imagine what could happen when you're installing a door that's upwards of 1,000 pounds. Some of the risks involved are property damage. An entry-level vault door at say 600 pounds for many can be a big endeavor. So moving that kind of weight over thresholds, through doorways, over finished floors presents numerous opportunities for your property to be damaged. Here are some insights into what may fluctuate the cost of installing a door. Number one, the vault door size and weight. Entry-level, middle-of-the-road doors are gonna weigh, between 600 and 900 pounds. They're gonna be in that $1,000 to $1,500 base price range when it comes to a professional installation. As you move into a higher-end vault door, something that might weigh in that 1,000 to 1,500 pound range, something that's a relatively straightforward installation, flat, level, we can come straight in and do it. You're gonna be in that $1,500 to $2,000 range for professional installation, depending on where you're located. The difficulty of the delivery path to install your vault door is gonna play a big part in the overall cost. Going into a shop is gonna be much less money than going up or down steep slopes or sets of stairs. Third variable, the mileage or distance from our shop. We've got shops, Western Washington, Eastern Washington, and also in Montana. In some cases, we'll take into account that time and mileage. Again, the entire Pacific Northwest region of the United States, our team will handle. Pro tip, take photos, or better yet, a video. We love it when we get videos from customers of the path, from our truck all the way to its final destination. This will provide our team with all the pertinent information to provide an accurate quote. So that being said, give us a call, shoot us an email, let us help you pick out the door, and also let us help you install it where you'd like it. Appreciate it.